Class 10 Kerala syllabus, first biology, first chapter, sensations and responses. Question: observe the picture. Children and other organisms have a variety of experiences. What are they? Answer: a child tasting a mango. Second point: a snail withdrawing its body into the shell when it is touched. Then the chirping of birds, butterflies sipping nectar from flowers, washing the face using cold water, the gentle pat of the breeze. Second question: what are the factors to which children and other organisms respond here? Answer: taste, touch, sound, light, smell. Third question: what are stimuli? Answer: the senses that evoke responses in organisms are called stimuli. Fourth question: what are receptors? Write its function. Answer: there are specialized cells in the sense organs and other parts of the body to receive stimuli. These are known as receptors. Function: they receive stimuli and generate suitable impulses. The one is taste receptor, second one is photoreceptor. Fifth question: what are the functions of nervous system? Answer: normally responses occur when the impulses generated by the receptors on receiving the stimuli reach the brain. The nervous system controls and coordinates these actions. Sixth question: what are the major parts of nervous system? First one, brain, then spinal cord, then nerves. Next question: what are the differences between internal and external stimuli? Answer: the senses from our immediate surroundings that evoke responses in organisms are called external stimuli. The stimuli that are formed inside the body are called internal stimuli. Vishappum, dahum, that are the hunger and thirst, are examples for internal stimuli. Next question: explain neuron. Neuron or nerve cell is the basic structural unit of the nervous system. Like all other cells, the neuron has a cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. Next question: write the important parts, peculiarities and functions of neuron. Main parts of neuron. First one, cell body. Function of cell body: it is the main part of neuron. It contains nucleus and cytoplasm. Functions: it carries impulses from the dendron to axon. Then dendron. Second one, dendron. Dendron peculiarities is short filament from the cell body. It carries impulses from dendrites to the cell body. Impulses from dendrites to the cell body. Third one, dendrite. The branches of dendron. These are the branches of dendron. It receives impulses from the adjacent neuron. Fourth one, axon. Axon, it is the longest filament from the cell body. It carries impulses from the cell body to outside. Then axonite, terminal branches of axon, carries impulses to the synaptic knob. Then synaptic knob, tip of axonite, synaptic knob, tips of axonite secretes neurotransmitter. Next question, what is myelin sheath? Answer, axons of most of the neurons are repeatedly encircled by myelin, a membrane containing lipid. This is called myelin sheath. Explain the formation of myelin sheath. Nerve is a group of axons. Myelin sheath in the nerves is formed on Schwann cells. Myelin sheath in the brain and the spinal cord is formed of specialized cells called oligodendrocytes. Next question, what is the difference between grey matter and white matter? Answer, the myelin sheath has a shiny white color. The part of the brain and the spinal cord where myelinated nerve cells are present in abundance is called white matter, and the part where non-myelinated nerve cells are present is called grey matter. Next question, what are the functions of myelin sheath? Answer, the major functions of the myelin sheath are to provide nutrients and oxygen to the axon, accelerate impulses, act as an electric insulator, and protect the axon from external shocks. Next question, how are these impulses generated and transmitted through neurons? Answer, the outer surface of the plasma membrane of the neuron is positively charged and the inner surface is negatively charged. This is due to the difference in the distribution of certain ions. Figure 1-2a. When stimulated, the distribution of ions in that particular part changes, and hence the inner surface becomes positively charged and the outer surface becomes negatively charged. 1-2b. Figure 1-2b. This momentary charge difference stimulates its adjacent parts and similar changes occur there too. As this process proceeds, figure 1-2c, impulses get transmitted as electric charges. Nerve impulses are messages transmitted through the neurons. പേജ് നമ്പർ 7, 8, 9, 10 ആണ് ഈ വീഡിയോ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോ ക്ലാസ് 10 ബയോളജി ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് സൊല്യൂഷൻസ് എന്ന പ്ലേലിസ്റ്റിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ കിട്ടും.